So we're moving right along, good people, as we finish block associations and block associations. Next up will be my brother Tony Perkins talking about community resources. This is good, people. Pay attention to this community resources because we all need some. I'm gonna need some homeowners community resources soon, people. So show us some love as homeowners, please.
Right. Peace, good people. Good evening. My name is Tony Perkins, and welcome to another episode of Ward F Community Forum. I'm excited to be here along with these great people that are bringing such prevalent information to the community. And I just want to give a big shout out and love and support to the family of Aisha. And it's very disheartening to hear about the tragic situation that happened to that young lady. We got to do better as a community. We have to do better as men to take care of our women in our community. And I just want to send my condolences to her and her family, and may Allah grant her family strength to get through these trying times. I mean, I just wanted to touch on a few topics: community resources, tenant income. And we have a COVID housing assistance program here in the state of New Jersey. You can apply for housing assistance if you suffered a financial hardship due to COVID-19, and just make sure you're able to pay your rent due to or mortgage. And how it works, you can apply. Here's the link right here: nj.gov, human services / COVID-19 housing assistance. So everybody, if you can, maybe if we can put that link in the chat, that way everybody can have it. And I'll proceed. You can demonstrate, but what's really needed is you have to demonstrate your income that doesn't exceed the income limit. That way you are able to receive these funds due to COVID-19. And it's very important. But moving forward, we have tenant income programs, financial assistance for renters in New Jersey. It's also located in Bayonne, New Jersey. The Economic Opportunity Foundation. They can be contacted at 201-437-7222. The link is right here. If I can get some assistance to put that link in the chat also, that way people can be informed about that, and they can go on that and see if it
Okay.
can be helpful to anybody that's
Mr.
in need of it.
Perkins,
Yes.
I see you. You're talking about the tenant income financial assistance for renters in New Jersey, and I see that this place, Bayonne Economic Opportunity Foundation, is in Bayonne. So can people in Jersey City, like, can we apply for that? Is that something? Is that something that's accessible or available to us?
Yes, it's within Hudson County, so I'm pretty sure it's accessible to everybody here in Hudson County.
Okay, appreciate that.
No problem. Thank you. So moving forward, community resources as far as COVID, which is definitely plaguing the communities and the world right now, and it's kicking up, people. So we have to be mindful of all our testing locations, the testing sites. They're all over. I'm just going to give you a few of them that are right here in Ward F. We have 754 West Side Avenue. Their daily operations are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Obviously, they're closed on the 25th, which is the holiday, through the 1st of the new year, which is also a holiday. But the thing about it is we have to get out and get tested just for the benefits of our family members. We can't stress it enough. The numbers are increasing. Deaths are increasing. We have to be mindful and be cautious about what we're doing and who we surround ourselves with, making sure we're practicing our safety, sanitizing, our health hygiene, wearing our mask, our social distancing. It's unfortunate during the holiday time, but it's a must that we look out for our family members moving forward. The other location is located at 100 Monticello Avenue, right there at in the old bank parking lot. right there by Brinkerhoff, between Brinkerhoff and I want to say Crescent, if I'm not mistaken.
That's
Crescent
correct.
Avenue. And that's another location. And then we have 140 Dr. Martin Luther King Drive at the Mary McLeod Bethune Center. Their operations are open from Monday and Wednesday from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. The location for Monticello, I'm not sure if I told you guys, is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So get out here if you need to get tested, and tell a friend to tell a friend. It's very imperative that we do this. You know, we're trying to save lives here. We're trying to move forward and just be careful and be safe.
Yeah.
And moving forward, I'd just like to thank everybody for tuning in tonight. This is very, very helpful for the community. We can save a life. We can help people acquire different resources as far as income, as far as, you know, we're going through a lot here in COVID-19 times, man, and it's very detrimental to all of us. So we have to practice our safety and just keep tuning in, because we're going to be here providing this information, and we want everybody to benefit from all of it. So I appreciate everybody for coming out tonight. Stay safe. The roads are a little slick, but I can say for the city, they did do a good job of cleaning. I can say that.
DPW, but, shout out.
Right, yeah, shout out to all the city workers, and continue to keep our city and our streets safe for us to travel on. We appreciate you guys for all the work that you're doing, and everybody continue to be safe out here. And I thank you for joining us here on the Ward F Community Forum.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Perkins, for that presentation. Just to piggyback off what Tony said, man, my office is right here on Monticello, right? 100 Monticello is directly down the street, across the street. And I ride by there, I walk by there, and I just don't see people taking advantage of free, like FREE, free testing, people. It is free. Like, you need to know. You need to know. It's imperative that you know if you're walking around with this COVID virus. So please, man, utilize it. Utilize it. Take care of yourself. It would be very hurtful to see us lose people due to negligence, just completely being negligent. So look at those sites, man. Look at those sites. Go in there, walk in there, and get tested. Again, the one on Monticello, I think 5 people may have one in there. It don't be crowded. So if you're in a rush and you need the service expedited, they'll be able to do it. I will say this, on West Side, that site has been pretty packed when I went down there. A lot of people were down there. I didn't have the opportunity to go out to the Bethune Center a lot, but just take advantage of it, people. There's really no other way to put it. Take advantage of it, you know, and put your health first. Because if you're not in good health, you ain't gonna be able to help no one.